In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a welcome screen and announcements in Discord communities. Start by opening Discord on your desktop or in a browser and sign in if you aren't already. From your home view, click the icon for the server you want to set up. You'll see the server name at the top left. Click it to open the menu, then choose Server Settings. In the Settings sidebar, find Onboarding. This is the feature that powers the welcome screen new members see and helps you surface key channels like announcements right away. Click Check It Out to begin. Discord may show a few short tooltips along the way. Go ahead and click Got It or Next when they appear so you can continue. These pop-ups just highlight what each section does. You'll land on the default channels section. This is where you choose which channels new members are shown first, so think of it as your front door. Select the channels that matter most for newcomers, especially your announcements channel and any rules or start here channel. If you see an option to highlight a channel, use it on your announcements or rules so they're extra easy to find. Highlights are a great way to make sure important updates don't get missed. If a tip appears, dismiss it with Got It and keep going. Next, move to customization questions. These are optional prompts you can show to new members to help guide them to the right places. You might ask about interests or how they want to participate, then use the answers to suggest relevant channels. If you're keeping things simple for now, just proceed by clicking Next. If a confirmation dialog appears, click OK, then head into the server guide section. This is a space to add helpful notes for new members. Think quick tips on where to find announcements, how to introduce themselves, or any community basics you want everyone to know. When Discord shows another short tip, just click OK or Got It to continue. When you're done, go to Review. This page lets you double check your welcome flow, default channels, and guide content before going live. Make sure your announcements channel is clearly included and highlighted so updates are front and center for newcomers. If you're not ready to publish or you just want to exit the tour, click Skip. Don't worry, your progress is saved and you can return to onboarding anytime to finalize or make tweaks. That's it. With onboarding configured, new members will see a clear welcome screen, get directed to your announcements, and know exactly how to get started in your community.